Namaskar. I am Himani Vajne, one among the faculty member of Mount Literacy School, and I, on behalf of my school, warmly welcome our honorable and dignitary members of Inspection Committee, Mrs. Pooja Malhotra and Dr. Anita Puri. I also welcome our distinguished observers from the CBSE board for the upgradation of our school to senior secondary level. The school has a spacious campus measuring 3,247.6 acres and run by MVH Educational Trust. A vast expanse of 993.92 square meter area provides a perfect ambience for an aesthetically chartered school building covering parking area and a beautiful lawn that provides a peaceful atmosphere for the students and individuals. Let me now show you the boundary wall of school. The built-up area of school has pakka boundary walls on all four sides with sufficient height. Well, with their identities using thumb impressions and cards. Welcoming our members inside the school building and premises. Well handled by a trained receptionist, taking care of all the incoming and outgoing calls, sorting out parents' queries, and much more. That side, our waiting lounge as well, where visitors feel comfortable while waiting for the purpose of their visit. Each classroom is equipped with air conditioner and fans which are cleaned and serviced regularly. Now we are moving towards our biology lab. Senior most teacher, Miss Priyanka ma'am, who will materials and chemicals that we use in our chemistry lab. Thank you so much, sir, for running us through chemistry lab in such a detailed fashion. We are now moving towards our physics laboratory. Here we enter into our physics lab. Our physics lab has all the mandatory equipments to experiment sound, electricity and light by the students of senior secondary students. Now I would like to introduce you Shri R.K. Agrawal ji, the lab in charge of our physics lab.
This is the apparatus of Ohm's law, and others are we use ammeter, voltmeter and battery elevator in the next experiment. This is the apparatus of light. This is refraction of light. This is the bench, focal length of lenses, and others are magnet, determine the magnetic field with the help of magnet and draw magnet characteristics.
Thank you so much, sir, for running us through physics lab in such a detailed fashion. Now let me take you to our chemistry lab. Life is chemistry. Dilute your sorrows, evaporate your worries, filter your mistake, boil your ego. You will feel the question of happiness. Before entering into the chemistry lab, the students go through the do's and don'ts of the chemistry lab and the precautions they are made to keep in mind while they are working in the chemistry lab. We are having the list of practicals as per CBSE norms to be done by the students of secondary and senior secondary classes. We are having various charts on display in chemistry lab. These charts act as reinforcement for the students of whatever they have learned in their theory to be applied while they come to experiment in the chemistry lab. The worktops are heat resistant and storage cabinets are easily accessible. Now I would like our chemistry teacher. He will introduce you with the apparatuses that are being used in our chemistry lab.
These are electrical operators in this chemistry lab. This is the conical calculator 250 test tube. This is the chain spatula, barrel. This is the tripod in this lab chemistry.
Here is our cupboard where we keep all the highly reactive elements inside the almirah, which are under the lock and key and supervision of the teacher. Moving inside our computer lab.
Now we teach you how to measure the marks as per the CBSE norms. Let's see.
Sorry to bother you, sir.
Here, this is the marks on board. Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am.
Let me introduce you with the
These
senior
are
most
computer labs,
faculty.
sir, and we nurture our students with latest technology like softwares and hardware details also. And we will discuss the all things with latest communication technology to the student. We pay a lot of emphasis in teaching computer skills to our students. This pandemic time has reinforced the enlightened the use of computers and computer-related technologies. At present, we are using.
Thank you very much, sir, for running us through the computer lab in such a great fashion. Now let me take you to a tour to our library. I would like to take you all to a lovely glimpse of our library. The school library is a welcoming place for study and reading. It is well equipped and spacious and provides a chance to enjoy reading and easy access to current, adequate and appropriate information and resources. We have 2,000 number of books at present in our library. We have all sorts of textbooks, reference books of all subjects from pre-primary level to secondary and senior secondary level that are easily accessible to the students and the teachers. We have all sorts of storybooks for the children according to their age. It also ensures that all the students, teachers and staff are effectively using the ideas and information. The school subscribes to number of periodicals, and magazines, which encourages the love of reading and development of students' independent reading and learning skills. We also have textbooks and reference books for the teachers and students of senior secondary classes. We have well-maintained stock registers, students' books issue registers, and teachers' books issue registers in a library. Both the students and facilitators grasp the knowledge and skill coming over here in the peaceful environment. For patiently watching talk, digiboards, projectors, air conditioners, and whiteboards for the students for their effective and perfect studies. Thank you so much for patiently watching and being a part of this virtual school throughout with us. The motto of Mount Literacy School is soaring beyond expectations personalities. I would like to wish goodbye to all our members with this beautiful Sanskrit shloka.